He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks, I ran whores, smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I...
better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a card like this.
Wait a second. This guy right here.
Yeah, this is just an update after installing the thermal pad from Carbonaut, and I think it's really worth it opening the M3 Max MacBook Pro. Like I said in my first video, The main purpose of this is to stop the heating problem, stop the thermal throttle. I don't like seeing the temperature go super high. I expect so much from this machine right here. And I'm just showing you that this M3 Max MacBook Pro is perfectly working fine. I've been using this, I've edited videos, I've edited photos. So if you have the 14 core CPU and 30 core GPU, just keep that. You don't have to return it and get the more expensive ones. The main reason why I bought this is because of its size. I can carry it with me everywhere I go. This is the perfect size right here, especially when I'm traveling and I'm carrying my backpack and I have some other things in there. You know, it's not gonna be too heavy. Again, like I said, this is the perfect machine for me. It can accomplish anything that I throw in it, from video editing, from editing photos, and gaming and other things. So thank you for watching this short video. Stay safe, stay blessed. This is Outrun DYC. I'll see you guys in the next video.